Utility companies operating in Malaysia are currently facing significant financial losses caused by the electricity theft, especially due to crypto mining activities.
Electricity theft is a serious and growing issue in Malaysia. According to multiple news reports, utility companies like TNB and SESB have suffered massive losses, in some cases up to RM4.4 billion, due to illegal power tapping. There are three major challenges we identified. First, electricity theft causes significant financial losses to utility companies, which ultimately affects the whole nation's power infrastructure and economic stability. Second, there is currently no proper tool to detect electricity theft in real time. Without real-time detection, theft often goes unnoticed for months or even years. And third, responsible authorities like TNB and Suruhanjaya Tenaga are still relying heavily on manual inspections, which are not only time-consuming but also inefficient and limited in reach. These ongoing issues clearly show the need for a smarter, automated solution to detect and prevent electricity theft, and that's where our system comes in.
Our stakeholder is Encik Hassan, the Assistant Director of the Planning and Industrial Development Department at Suruhanjaya Tenaga. He explained that the current investigation of electricity theft still relies on the manual inspections. To identify potential cases, officers typically look for suspicious wiring setups, irregular billing patterns, and unrealistic electricity usage in consumer records. He acknowledged that electricity theft is a serious issue, as it causes significant financial losses, especially for utility companies like TNB. Therefore, he fully supports and encourages the development of our project, believing it has strong potential to help reduce this problem. He also expressed interest in the integration of IoT into our system, highlighting its relevance in enhancing real-time monitoring and detection capabilities.
Therefore, introducing the IoT-based electricity theft detection system, a smarter way to secure our energy. The system automatically detects electricity theft by comparing current flow between two monitoring points and detect the theft when the percentage difference exceeds the threshold. When abnormal power consumption is detected, instant alerts are sent directly to utility companies. The system is powered by a microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi, ensuring seamless connectivity to the internet. It allows real-time monitoring of electricity usage through cloud platforms. All data is automatically stored for long-term tracking and analysis. Utility companies can view electricity data easily on smartphones and tablets. And most importantly, it reduces the need for manual inspection.
There are three main objectives for this project. To investigate appropriate methods for detecting electricity theft. To design a system with sensors, alerts, and real-time data tracking to detect potential electricity theft. To develop a monitoring system that alerts authorities via Blink when suspicious current differences occur.
According to the Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah verse 188 clearly prohibits the unjust consumption of others' wealth, which includes modern forms of wrongdoing such as electricity theft. The first point is that our project helps to prevent this unethical act by detecting and stopping electricity theft, ensuring that no one takes what does not rightfully belong to them. The second point is that it promotes fairness and accountability through the use of IoT technology, which monitors electricity usage in real time. This supports the Islamic values of justice, transparency, and responsible use of shared resources, aligning our engineering solution with both ethical and religious principles.
This project supports Sustainable Development Goals 7, 9, and 11, which are crucial for driving impactful change through technology. Starting with 7 Sudanese pounds, affordable and clean energy, our project contributes by promoting energy-efficient solutions through IoT-based monitoring. This helps reduce wastage and optimize electricity usage, making clean energy more accessible and manageable. Next, 9 Sudanese pounds, industry, innovation, and infrastructure is supported through our use of innovative hardware and software integration. By developing a smart detection system, we are enhancing digital infrastructure and encouraging innovation in the energy sector. Lastly, for 11 Sudanese pounds, sustainable cities and communities, our system helps build safer and more resilient communities. By detecting electricity theft and encouraging responsible energy usage, we contribute to building cities that are both smart and sustainable. In summary, the technologies we implement in this project are not just technical solutions. They are aligned with global goals to make a real difference in energy, innovation, and urban sustainability.
Now let's go through the cost structure of our IoT-based electricity theft detection system. First, we have the electronic components, which are essential for the system to function accurately and reliably in real-world conditions. All of these are calculated based on 60 complete systems, and the total cost for components alone is Rm 9,240. These component costs are part of our fixed costs, which also include hardware materials, Blink app and cloud setup, and expenses for system prototyping and R&D. Altogether, the fixed cost adds up to Rm 24,000. On the other hand, we have variable costs, which change depending on how many systems we produce. This includes expenses for sales and marketing, overhead and labor, as well as distribution and logistics, with a total of Rm 21,000. To estimate the cost per unit, we combine the fixed and variable costs, Rm 24K plus Rm 21K, and divide by 60 systems. This gives us an estimated cost of Rm 750 per system. With a selling price of Rm 1,600 per unit, we achieve a gross margin of 53.13%, which shows that the business is not only sustainable but also profitable while offering a valuable solution to utility providers.